Hi, good morning. My name is Punekar. My son is studying in Mentor class 3D. Since 3 years, we are with Mentor International School, and he's studying really very well. I have the personal experience of the tutor, the class teachers, that they are taking personal interest and giving the additional help to our student, our kids, for their extracurriculum activities, as well as any doubts or any difficulties if they are facing. They are extending their time and supporting our kids to grow up. Another is infrastructure wise, Mentor is really very good. The security, mostly camera securities, the person, the people, they have maintained really very nicely. And today is the carnival, so this carnival is again a get together for all the student as well as their parents. So we came to know each other and we understand them very nicely. So this is really very nice try from Mentor and International School to get involved student with their parents. Thank you.